excited.
I feel like this is great. This is a great start.
Yeah?
But there's a little more. There's a little more. Let's show them the rest of this giveaway. So you guys. This is a milestone giveaway. We're including all this right here.
1,000 horsepower Shelby GT500. Absolute monster of a car.
Monster, baby.
And if that wasn't enough,
$50,000 on top. Winner takes all.
you guys, 40th giveaway. You only have 10 days. This giveaway is only 10 days long from start to finish.
Best of both worlds right here, dude. The ultimate Ford giveaways. The ultimate setup. Winner's going to be taking it all home. 10 days to get in her.
That's wild, dude.
Absolutely insane.
You guys, welcome to ENR number 40.
Let's go, baby.